Hey Rachel, good morning. How are you today?
Good morning, John. I'm doing well, thanks. How about you?
I'm good too. So, what's the plan for today?
Well, I thought we could practice some common daily conversations. It will help us sound more natural.
That's a great idea. Where should we start?
Let's start with ordering coffee. Imagine you're at the counter. How would you order?
I'd say, hi, I'd like a cappuccino, please.
That's good. But you can also say, can I get a cappuccino, please? It sounds more natural.
Oh, I see. Can I get a cappuccino, please?
Perfect. Now, let's practice a small talk situation. Imagine you meet a colleague at work.
Okay. Hey Rachel, how's your day going?
Nice. I'd reply, it's going well, thanks. How about yours?
Not bad, just a little busy with work.
That sounds natural. Now, let's practice asking for directions. Suppose you're lost in a new city.
Excuse me, can you tell me how to get to the train station?
Great. And the person might reply, sure. Go straight for 2 blocks, then turn left. You'll see the station on your right.
Got it. Thanks for the help.
You're welcome. Practicing daily conversations like this really helps improve our English.
I agree. Let's do this every day.
Sounds like a plan. Now, let's enjoy our coffee.
Cheers.